Alright everybody, so we're going to try to make some more stuff tonight. It's raining. Haven't really did much today. Check this out. Got my light on. Got my table over here. I'm gonna shut my light off. Don't even notice the change, so I mean it's pretty dark over here, but it's super bright over here for now. So I'm gonna try to make one of these grinder and like flap disc holders for 6-inch cutting wheels. So go ahead and get the generator fired up. I think I'm gonna try to stick the generator, the exhaust, I'm gonna try to stick over there in the stove. That way I don't have to run with the door open. So we're gonna see how this works. I doubt it's gonna work well, but we're going for it. We're just gonna cut some shit up. I already made a few mistakes. Every time I try to start it, it messes up. So I keep ruining pieces. So I'm just gonna keep going over the stuff I got for right now and just let it roll. Here's how this thing turned out. So some of the mistakes that were made, I started it, I lost voltage for some reason. I couldn't figure it out, so I moved it up. When I had started it, it started cutting about here, and then it quit. So I was like, all right. So rather than keep moving this and losing all the material, because you lose everything here unless you get the right spot. Because this was actually this. So when I zeroed it, I had to move this all the way up until the bottom one interfere with the next cut. So I just said screw it. So mistakes we got is this and this. So other than that, I tried speeding this thing up again, slowing it down. Some of these, I mean, they got the little spots from the plunging, and then it's a nice narrow line. I'm gonna have to work on that. These were kind of hit and miss. It just, not all these are the same, but the starts are the same. So I can start fine tuning on those. And the holes were kind of wobbly again, which, you know, if you put a screw in it, you won't see it. But anyway, wasn't a lot of dross on this. I mean, there was some. You know, I had to hit it with the grinder, but not as much as there usually is. So I had it, I think we ended up going about 68 inches per minute. And I had it set for 45 amps. So I'm thinking maybe I should turn that amperage way down when I'm doing 16 gauge. But we'll see. So let's go ahead and get this folded up so you guys can see what it looks like. All right, I got this clamped up best it's gonna get. Got this from Harbor Freight. I'd try to get 90. I know it's not gonna come out right, but you know. All right, here's the ugly finished product. I guess if I put it on the concrete, kind of show you, it sits flat, and then this sits flat. This is supposed to have a piece here. And then you can put some other flap wheels, grinding discs. Then you also have up here, and then your grinder sits down flat. So let me show you how that sits. I hung this there for demonstration purposes, but it's supposed to be able to take 6 inch, this 4.5, and that's supposed to hang just like that, nice and tight. And then you got a few discs. Boom. So you can stack all them here. Then you got to have them in your toolbox or laying around. So it didn't come out the greatest. My bends weren't quite right because the bender I have is not really heavy duty, and getting it lined up wasn't the easiest on it. So, but I mean, for the most part, it worked out. And then I think these, you can just loop your cords up. But yeah, anyway, thanks for watching this one, guys. Got the giveaway coming up here. We got 11 subscribers to go currently. I got a few things we're working on for the truck right now, but I don't really know how I'm going to finish it yet. I don't really want to throw this one together, being it's the first thing I made, but it on my own, you know, drawn up. So anyway, thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.